Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Chevy Malibu key fob. This process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes. You will need a fresh CR 2032 3-volt coin battery and a small flat tool, such as a flathead screwdriver or even the emergency key itself, to gently pry open the casing. To begin, locate the small silver button on the side of your key fob. Press and hold this button, then carefully slide out the internal emergency key. This key is crucial for the next step, as it will act as your primary tool for safely separating the two halves of the key fob without causing any damage. Now take the emergency key you just removed. Insert its tip into the small slot where the key originally sat. Gently twist or pry the key to create a small opening between the two halves of the fob. Once a gap appears, carefully work your way around the seam, prying gently until the two sections fully separate, revealing the internal components. With the fob open, you will see the round CR 2032 battery. Use a small tool or your fingernail to gently pop out the old battery. Insert the new CR 2032 battery, making sure the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces down into the compartment. Finally, align the two halves of the key fob and snap them firmly back together. Reinsert the emergency key, and your fob is ready to use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.